Ever closed a browser tab by accident and felt your soul leave your body? Or copied a link, then accidentally copied something else and lost the first one forever? We shouldn't be dealing with this. This is Fix in 60, and I'm about to give you 10 keyboard shortcuts that solve those mini nightmares instantly. First off, have you ever been in that annoying loop where you copy a long email address, but then realize you also need to copy a phone number from a different page? So you decide to open a notepad to paste the previous links so you do not lose them. It's exhausting. So stop copying and pasting one thing at a time. Instead, copy whatever you need normally, and instead of hitting Ctrl+V, try hitting Windows+V. A secret menu pops up showing your entire clipboard history. You can see the last 25 things you copied, text, links, even screenshots, and just click exactly what you need. You can even pin things you use every day, like your business info or a specific link, so they're always there. Have you ever spent 20 minutes finding the perfect article, only to accidentally click the tiny little X on the tab? It is that exact moment where your soul leaves your body. Do not go digging through your browser history for 5 minutes. Just hit Ctrl+Shift+T or Command+Shift+T on a Mac. Your browser literally travels back in time and brings that tab right back to life. You can even keep hitting it to resurrect your entire last session if your browser crashes. It is the ultimate insurance policy for your workflow. Stop opening a new tab just to Google the word checkmark so you can copy and paste the icon into an email. It is a massive waste of time. Instead, just hit the Windows key and the period key at the same time. This opens up the built-in emoji and symbol picker. It has everything from GIFs to math symbols and even your clipboard history tucked away in one clean menu. Whether you are adding a bit of personality to a message or just need a professional symbol fast, this is the only way to do it. If you are still hitting the print screen button and then opening Paint just to crop out a tiny piece of information, you are living in the past. Hit Windows+Shift+S instead. Your screen will dim and you can just draw a box around exactly what you need. The second you let go, it is on your clipboard and ready to be pasted anywhere. No saving files to your desktop and no messy backgrounds. It is the cleanest way to share information, and it works every single time. Watch how most people fix a typo. They tap the Backspace key 15 times just to delete one word. It is slow and it breaks your rhythm. If you hold down Ctrl while you hit Backspace, it deletes the entire word at once. It sounds like a small tweak, but once you start doing this, your editing speed literally triples. You will find yourself flying through emails and documents because you are moving at the speed of your thoughts rather than the speed of your fingers. Look at the apps pinned to your taskbar right now. From left to right, they are actually numbered 1 through 9. If your browser is the first icon on the left, just hit Windows+1 to open it instantly. If your File Explorer is second, hit Windows+2. You do not have to hunt for icons or minimize windows just to find a shortcut. Once you memorize where your favorite tools are, you can launch your entire workstation without ever touching your mouse. Stop hunting for that tiny little back arrow in the corner of your screen every time you go one folder too deep. It is a small target and it slows you down. Just hold Alt and hit the left arrow to go back or the right arrow to go forward. This works in your file folders and in almost every web browser. It keeps your hands on the keys and makes navigating through your files feel fluid rather than clunky. We have all been there. You copy a beautiful quote from a website and paste it into your document, only for it to bring along a weird neon background and a font that does not match anything else. It is a formatting nightmare. Instead of a regular paste, hit Ctrl+Shift+V. This tells your computer to paste the text only and strip away all the ugly formatting. It instantly matches your document style, so you do not have to spend 3 minutes cleaning up the mess. Sometimes you have 15 windows open, and you just need to see your desktop for a second. Instead of minimizing every single one like a chore, just hit Windows+D. Every window vanishes instantly. If you hit it again, they all pop back right where you left them. When an app freezes, do not hit Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and wait for that slow blue menu to appear. It takes forever and feels like a defeat. Go straight for the jugular with Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. This opens the Task Manager directly on top of whatever is frozen. You can kill the dead process in 2 seconds and get right back to work. It is the fastest way to deal with a stubborn computer, and it makes you feel like you are actually in control of your machine.